Hello there. Today I am going to share my experience with drawing tablet, which is from One by Wacom, which is 6-inch drawing tablet, which I brought it from Amazon.in, and they deliver on time. And I found everything in the packet, whatever they mentioned in the description, product description. So everything component is available. So here you can see the packet and packet containing the each and everything, and I have successfully installed the tablet on my Mac here, and which is working with the Mac OS Catalina. And today I'll share my experience with my expectations that inspire me to buy this drawing tablet to perform my job. Basically, my job was and my aim to buy this product was to use it in my presentations, day-to-day presentations, and all the drawing things and some drawing and mock-up which I need to create on fly anytime. So I just wanted to improve my productivity. So that's why I buy it. The things which I try to do similar way with my mouse, but uh, I could not able to do it, so that's why I decided to buy it. But let's see. First show you with my 3D prints platform or application where and compare the differences it with mouse and drawing paint tablet experience. So everything is here to guide you guys to buy the product with all the aim to consider that it should fulfill your requirement. So I'm going to share my experience with like a Jamboard from Google Slides, and Microsoft PowerPoint presentation slide. So actually, these three I use for my day-to-day activity and day-to-day job. So let's starting using this and how it works. Okay. So once you install the driver, it also install the app from Wacom, which is called Wacom Desktop Center. It allow you to customize your pen setting and drawing tablet as per your need. Okay, so once you install it, it will show you the dialog box where you can customize and increase the speed and the pressure level as per your need and depend. By default, it comes with the default setting, which suits in the most of the cases, but depend on the person to person and how they wanted to operate it they can customize accordingly. So this is the good. I really like this thing. Okay, now it's time to show you presentation and how it works on the site. So here, one of the presentation from PowerPoint presentation from OneDrive, and I'm just launching this presentation in the presentation mode, and I just selected here the pen, and now I'm trying to write some text on my review in the area site like review with the help of pen. So although I'm changing the color with the help of mouse, but actually I'm just new to using this, but as per the presentation videos and all the like, you can change it as per your need, right? So here it's very working, it works very smoothly, and whatever thing I wanted I put in the small things like here, and I can do it. Let me. It all depends expertise and uses. Now this some of the things I'm trying to use the mouse. So here this is mouse output now. Although I'm able to create the object, but not very difficult to write text here. So now I'm using the again the pen. So you can see the differences. So in this comparison, or I would say that the performance on OneDrive PowerPoint presentation is very good, and it is up to the mark and what I want, what I expected. So only thing I need to taking care, and also you need to taking care if you're going to buy it, that more you use it, more you become experts on this thing. Now it's time to have a the test on this pen drive pen test on Google Slide. So let me present this Google Slide, and here I cannot write anything because I only use a pointer. So let me use a pointer, and I can rotate the pointer here very smoothly with the help of mouse. Now I'm using the try to rotate the pointer with pen. And this here is to be having some beard kind of thing, right? Weird kind of thing, because I was just rotating the things, and it changed the slide, which I was not expected. I was just rotating the here, so it should like this is the last slide, so it is not a rendering thing. But if I go the first slide and then I again I just move the pointer, it's changing one by one slide to another slide, which I was not expected. So this thing I just I don't like it here in this case, because I just wanted to show highlight the some points in my presentation to the all the my audience here. But here you can see that on by rotating this cursor and the pointer, it slides changed suddenly, which I was not expected and which I don't really like. So now it's time to have a test on Google Jamboard, and which is basically a whiteboard that allow us to draw something and show in the presentation. So I just choose the one of the pencil from like a red here, and I'm using the now pen on the drawing tablet surface and writing something, right? Okay, so I'm going to draw a rectangle and put something here, and then write uh, x equal to y plus 1 and cos 60 degree equal to root 3 by 4 and a plus a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And now I'm changing the color of the pen with the help of mouse. I just wanted to highlight this line area. So here it's also working as per my expectation level. So overall expectation experience with my this Wacom tablet, it is good. So but need to have expertise. Only drawback and the one thing which I did not like it, that on Google Slides, while focusing the pointer, it suddenly get changed. But as per the mouse did not change the slide from one to another and one to another, but the surface but the pen changed slide while moving here. Okay, so which I did not like. So only thing is we need to take care of that. More we use, and the way it has been designed, we need to use it and that way. Okay, so thank you. Share your feedback and experience, and share the feedback that will help you guys to use and buy this product as per your expectation, as per your requirement and expectation. Thank you for watching this.